Hello kids, today we will review together what we learned previously. Who can tell me what do we see? Yes, farm animals. Where do the farm animals live? On the farm. The farm animals live on the farm. Who can tell me some names of farm animals? Farm animals like donkey, cat, dog, goat, cow, sheep, horse. These are the farm animals. Now my kids, are you ready to play this guess game? Okay, let's start. What is this? Yes, it is a cow. What is this? Cat. It is a cat. Who can tell me what is this? Yes, it is a sheep. Great. What is this? Yes, it is a dog. This worksheet requires to find the correct shadow.